The Philippine National Police takes all allegations of misconduct, including accusations of evidence planting, very seriously. We are committed to upholding the highest standards of integrity and professionalism in our operations. We categorically deny the accusations made by Attorney Harry Roque regarding the planting of evidence in relation to the KOJC premises. The PNP operates under strict adherence to the rule of law and established protocols. Any claims of wrongdoing will be thoroughly investigated in accordance with our internal procedures and relevant legal standards. The PNP assures the public that our actions are conducted with transparency and accountability. We remain dedicated to enforcing the law impartially and will continue to work diligently to maintain public trust and safety.